The Samsung Galaxy S25 5G, a flagship smartphone leading the era of mobile eye. The Silver Shadow variant with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage delivers both elegance and power. Officially priced at 80,999 rupees, it is available on Amazon India for 74,999 rupees, offering a 7% savings. This model emphasizes innovation, performance, and AI-driven intelligence, setting new standards in mobile technology, performance and hardware. The Galaxy S25 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering blazing fast performance with a CPU speed of 4.47 GHz. With 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, multitasking and large storage needs are seamlessly handled. Running on Android 15, it ensures smooth operation with the latest features. The aluminum frame and compact design have been widely praised by users, while Gorilla Glass Victus 2 provides superior protection. Galaxy Eye features. The highlight of the Galaxy S25 5G is its Galaxy Eye integration. Gemini Live enables free-flowing, adaptive conversations for brainstorming and presentations, even supporting image attachments. The Now Brief feature acts as a personal eye companion, offering real-time updates on schedules, reminders, battery status, and energy optimization. This makes the S25 a truly intelligent smartphone designed for productivity and convenience. Camera and imaging. The Galaxy S25 5G S50MP camera, powered by the iProVisual engine, sets new standards in mobile photography. With improved 10-bit HDR video recording, every moment is captured with stunning accuracy and vibrant detail. Night photography is especially enhanced with advanced noise reduction, ensuring clear, sharp, and vivid shots in low light. Customer feedback emphasizes the superior camera quality, highlighting it as one of the best in the market. Power, security and connectivity. The Galaxy S25 5G is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, offering dependable power for everyday use. It ensures seamless 5G connectivity for blazing fast internet speeds. With defense-grade Knox security, user data is always safeguarded. Additionally, Samsung Wallet enables fast, convenient, and secure digital payments, enhancing the device's overall utility. Customer feedback and summary. Customers have praised the Galaxy S25 5G as a premium, compact, and feature-rich device, particularly for its advanced camera and performance. However, opinions are mixed on its value for money and heating, with some users reporting battery life concerns while others are satisfied. Overall, the S25 stands out as a flagship smartphone focused on next-generation AI and cutting-edge camera technology, making it a strong contender in the premium segment.